Hey everybody, it's me, Carrie, your Stampin' Up! Demonstrator from Farmington Hills. I am trying to get my tablet to work so I can see if you guys are asking questions, but you know what? I'm just going to go with it because I can kind of see on my camera, and I know I don't do face-to-face very often, and I have a mess behind me back here, but that's because I've been working and playing for days. So here's the deal. Tomorrow, July 6, 2023, is a big day at Stampin' Up! We have so much going on tomorrow. It's unfreaking believable. First of all, before I forget, not that I haven't reminded you guys like 50,000 times. I know this is backwards, but the Trucking Along pre-order that I have offered, that expires tonight. I will still be able to sell you the kits and things after the fact, but I cannot guarantee that you're going to be able to get that bundle because it goes live midnight Mountain Time tonight. So I'm going to be placing orders for all of the people who have pre-ordered, and so thank you very much for those of you who have. Also, on that, as a reminder, I've estimated the price of that bundle, and if it's more than that and you've pre-ordered, I'm going to eat the difference. If it's less than that, I'm going to work it out so that you still get something because of that. Whether it's a refund, I can't, if it's like going to be minuscule if I'm off, I think. If I'm under what I think it is, I could be in trouble. But that's the bonus of pre-ordering. And I did extend because a few of you contacted me and said that you're going to be at work, so you couldn't make my 6 p.m. Eastern time cutoff, especially those of you like on the West Coast. And I can only sell in the United States, so just so you know, it's a Stampin' Up! Rule. But so I'm giving you until 10 p.m. Eastern time to send me through PayPal or Venmo. The links are here on my website. So and if you want to stay up until midnight Mountain Time and order the bundle yourself, that's fine too, and then you can just order the card guts and stuff from me later. I do not have an item number. I do not have a cost. I will not know before midnight Mountain Time. So there we go. Okay, so that's that. But that's just a tiny little bit, because tomorrow, July 6th, tons going on. First of all, if you are a Paper Pumpkin subscriber, or if you subscribe today or tomorrow, Paper Pumpkin kits. So I'm going to hold up the box. Yes, I know it's backwards. But they are going to have approximate 50% off all previous kits, kit refills, kit add-ons, but you have to be a Paper Pumpkin subscriber to get in on that deal. And you don't go to your Paper Pumpkin site where you go and control your Paper Pumpkin. Go to my site, which is, and this is going to be backwards too, MemoryINKers.com. And you can add my hostess code, which I'll read to you because that will be backwards. M as in Michael, D as in David, 2, A as in Adam, 3, H as in Henry, Z as in Zebra, W as in wow. I had to think about that one for a minute. Anyway, so, but also there will be clearance updates. Okay, so while you're at MemoryINKers.com, adding on to your Paper Pumpkin, or if you're not a Paper Pumpkin and you're just going shopping to get the truck bundle, if you haven't pre-ordered it from me, or any of the other online extras, at a leaders event on Monday, I got to see a few of the other things that are coming. We've been able to, for months, we've known about 2 things, a Christmas set and a floral set. But there are other sets, bundles, and sometimes just a stamp set that are coming out on the online exclusives. So you're going to want to check those out. Like I said, the clearance rack, the Paper Pumpkin stuff. Also, it is bonus days. Bonus days start tomorrow. And if you've never been a part of Stampin' Up! Bonus days, this is how it works. For every $50 in product that you purchase at MemoryINKers.com, or with your personal demonstrator, of course, you are going to get an email from Stampin' Up! With a code for $5 off an order in August. And it's however much, like, you know, if you order $100, they'll send you 2 codes. It'll all be in one email. If you spend $500, that would be fun, wouldn't it? I would have a blast with that. You get 10 codes. Okay, that's how it works. So for one order, it's cumulative. All right, so if you spend $149, you're only going to get 2 codes. Find something to add on so you get the 3rd code. Okay. But if you order $149 and then next week you go, oh, I should have ordered this, and you order $52, you're only getting the 1 code. It's not going to go, oh, look, she was close, or he was close to the 150 last time. They don't know. It's per order. So pay attention to that. But big stuff is coming on. And I want to show you, I'm going to be posting, did it post already? I'm going to be posting a picture of one of the things at Creativity Now. It was a demonstrator event. Someone was able to have the truck and they did a demo on it. And I posted one of her cards. So cute. We're going to be doing something similar to that one as part of the kit. Whether you've pre-ordered or you decide later you want to order the card elements, we can do that too. But anyway, I have been sketching my little guts out ever since I knew that I wanted to do that, so that I am overnighting that order. Like, it's a lot to overnight. It's a lot, but I want to get it right away. So anyway, so if you still have until 10 p.m. Eastern time tonight to send me the $55, either PayPal or Venmo. The links, I'll add a comment in this on my Facebook page, but they are on, it's actually pinned at the top of my Facebook page, so you can find those links to how to send me payment. Just remember to include your address. But if you are shopping tomorrow, you can look at all the online exclusives. You can get Paper Pumpkin items, previous Paper Pumpkin items, if you're a subscriber. The new clearance rack is available to everybody. New kits are going to come out. The kits that we have that they kind of look like Paper Pumpkin, but they're different. There's going to be more of those tomorrow. It's just tomorrow is going to be nutso crazy day. So I'm sure Stampin' Up's going to be flooded with orders. That means it may take a little bit longer for your order to ship, which is why with this bundle I am I'm overnighting it. I know it's above and beyond your regular. It's like another $50 to in addition to your regular shipping. So, but I love you guys, and so many of you have already pre-ordered that I want to get the kits done ASAP. Plus, to be able to show those of you who did not pre-order in case you want to go ahead and order it. I don't know how long it's going to last. I don't know. I'm hoping that this is an item that Stampin' Up! Does reorder, although the online exclusives are while supplies last. So anyway, so don't forget, tomorrow, big day, big. If you want to get on it and jump on it right away, stay up until midnight Mountain Time here in the Eastern time zone. That's 2 a.m. I will be up. So don't call, but I will be up. You can text me. I mean, honestly, if you really do, if you're like, oh, you know what, I should have done this, and it's 11:30, text me. But I don't know. I don't want to say 100% for sure. Oh, look, my TV just freaked out. I do watch TV while I craft. Do any of you? I do. Okay, so tomorrow, July 6th, big day. The Paper Pumpkins are only that special is only July 6th and 7th. I believe those are the correct dates. But I have a post coming on that too. So anyway, it's a big day. So I will talk to you guys soon. I hope everybody had a wonderful holiday weekend. I know we enjoyed a little peace and quiet over the weekend, so it was kind of nice. All right. See you guys.